Shinjuku Gyoen is a large park and garden in Shinjuku and Shibuya, Tokyo, Japan. It was originally a residence of the Naito family in the Edo period. Afterward, it became a garden under the management of Japan Imperial Household Agency. Gyoen is quite famous as a venue for cherry blossom viewing in March and April. Shinjuku Gyoen is easily reached from Shinjuku Station, around a 10-minute walk, or from Shinjuku Gyoen Lane, which is 5-minute walk. With 58.3 hectares in size and a circumference of 3.5 kilometers, Shinjuku Gyoen is the representative modern Western-style garden in Meiji era that blends three district styles: formal garden, landscape garden, and Japanese traditional garden, and is considered to be one of the most important gardens from the Meiji era.